IoT Security in 2025, Top Threats and Solutions. Top IoT Security Threats in 2025. 1. Device hijacking. Hackers can gain control over unsecured devices and use them for malicious purposes. For example, a hacked surveillance camera can be turned into a spying tool or used as a stepping stone to infiltrate a larger network. 2. Botnets and DDoS attacks. Botnets made up of infected IoT devices continue to be used in massive distributed denial of service DDoS attacks. 3. Data breaches and privacy violations. IoT devices collect vast amounts of data, including personal health information, location data, and behavioral patterns. 4. Weak authentication and passwords. Many devices still come with default passwords or lack strong authentication mechanisms. Weak or hard-coded passwords allow attackers to gain unauthorized access with little effort. 5. Firmware and software vulnerabilities. IoT devices rely heavily on firmware and software updates to remain secure. However, many are shipped with outdated or unpatched systems. 6. Supply chain attacks. Cyber criminals increasingly target the supply chain to insert malicious code during the manufacturing or software development process. An attack at this level can compromise thousands of devices before they even reach the end user. 7. Man in the middle. MITM. Attack in 2025. As IoT devices transmit more real-time and critical data, these attacks can lead to major consequences in sectors like healthcare or transportation. 8. AI-powered attacks. As AI becomes more powerful, so do the attacks it enables. AI-driven cyber attacks can adapt in real time, scan for vulnerabilities faster than humans, and evade detection systems more effectively. 9. Ransomware targeting IoT devices. Ransomware attacks have evolved to lock not just computers, but also connected devices. 10. Physical tampering and insider threats. Some IoT devices, especially those used in public or industrial environments, are physically accessible to bad actors. Innovative solutions and best practice. 1. Stronger device authentication. Manufacturers are now implementing multi-factor authentication and biometric login systems to secure device access. 2. Zero Trust architecture. Zero Trust. Security models assume no device or user is trustworthy by default. Every connection must be verified continuously. 3. Automated patch management. One of the most critical defenses is keeping devices updated. Modern IoT systems are increasingly using automated patching systems that deploy updates across networks without manual intervention, reducing vulnerabilities. 4. Blockchain for IoT system. Blockchain technology is now being used to enhance transparency and data integrity across IoT systems. It ensures that data exchanged between devices cannot be altered and provides an audit trail of all actions. 5. AI-based intrusion detection system. AI is not just used by attackers, it's also being deployed for defense. AI-driven intrusion detection systems can monitor network traffic for suspicious patterns and respond in real time to neutralize threats. 6. Network segmentation. Keeping IoT devices on separate networks from sensitive systems helps contain breaches. If one device is compromised, it cannot be used to access an organization's core infrastructure. 7. Privacy. First, design. Many companies are now designing IoT devices with privacy in mind from the start. This includes anonymizing data, giving users more control over what is collected, and complying with strict data protection laws. 8. Secure boot and hardware-based security. Modern devices are being equipped with hardware-based security features like secure boot processes and embedded encryption chips. These add an extra layer of protection that is much harder for attackers to bypass. 9. Public awareness and training. Cybersecurity is not just a technical issue, it's a human one. Public awareness campaigns and user education are being rolled out to help consumers understand how to secure their devices properly. 10. Regulatory compliance and global standards. Governments and international bodies are stepping in to regulate IoT devices. By 2025, many regions require minimum cybersecurity standards for IoT hardware, industry use cases, and their approaches. Healthcare. Medical devices are now embedded with secure communication protocols and encrypted data channels to protect patient data and prevent life-threatening breaches. Smart homes. Device manufacturers are offering centralized hubs with end-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication. Industrial IoT, IoT. Companies are segmenting networks, using blockchain for supply chain transparency. Smart cities. Governments are adopting AI-driven monitoring tools and using secure mesh networks to prevent citywide disruptions in traffic control, energy management. The future of IoT security. Looking forward, IoT security will be shaped by a combination of smarter technologies and stronger global collaboration. Conclusion. IoT is not just a convenience, it's becoming the backbone of modern life and industry. But with great power comes great responsibility. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more deep dive analysis on emerging technologies and how they're shaping our world. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Thank you for watching and stay secure in this connected world.